In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate your QuickBooks subscription, whether your subscription lapsed accidentally or you're ready to get back to managing your business finances with ease. This guide will walk you through the process step by step to ensure a smooth reactivation. First, we'll start by logging into your QuickBooks account. This is the jumping off point for everything we need to do. Make sure you have your login details at hand. Enter your username and password carefully, and if you're accessing your account from a new device or location, you might be asked to verify your identity. QuickBooks takes security very seriously, so any additional prompts for verification are there to protect your information. Once you're logged in, look at the navigation panel and locate the billing and subscription section. This is where you manage your subscription details. It's usually found under your account settings or the main menu, but exact placement can vary depending on your version of QuickBooks. If you run into trouble finding it, don't hesitate to use the search bar to speed things up. Type in billing and subscription and it should direct you to the right place. After you've navigated to the billing and subscription page, you should see an option labeled Reactivate or something similar. Selecting this option will initiate the reactivation process. QuickBooks will likely guide you through a series of prompts to confirm your decision. These prompts are designed to verify that you want to restart your subscription, ensuring you don't reactivate by mistake. During this process, you might be asked to update or confirm your payment information. Have your credit or debit card information ready, as you'll need it to complete the reactivation. If your previous card details are still correct, a simple confirmation could suffice, but it's always good to double-check expiry dates and other details to avoid any hang-ups. Once you confirm your payment method, the prompts will guide you through finalizing your reactivation. QuickBooks might take a moment to process your request, so be patient. Upon successful reactivation, you should see a confirmation message. Take a moment to review your subscription details, such as the billing date and plan, to ensure everything is as expected. Reactivation not only restores your access to QuickBooks, but also reopens the door to its powerful financial tracking and reporting capabilities. Keeping your subscription active means staying on top of your business's finances in a streamlined and efficient manner. That wraps up our guide for today. Following these steps will have your QuickBooks subscription up and running in no time. Thank you for joining me, and happy bookkeeping.